Hello, Brett. So I'm just going to go through the site. What we'll do is we'll start on the home page, kind of go down through how to change things on the home page. Then we'll get into the portfolio items, how to change those. And from there, go through the about page and how to change these images. How to do the logos, and then this page should be pretty much done. So first off, this is the salient theme. This is where all their information is. You're going to need to link up your social media, which is right here. So you can put the URL to your social media, just the full URL of what it is, and that will link all of the social media on the bottom. So we're using this one for the home page called Home Landing Page, which we don't really need this. So this is our slider right here. If we wanted a different slider, we'd change it right here, and you could pick which one went in there. But right now we'll leave it at home. And this is referencing the slider that we named home slider within Nectar Slide. This is the height of it. Display full width, yes. If we wanted it to display a full screen based on your screen size, we could do that right here by checking this box. And there's a few different other options here. You can also tell it how many milliseconds. So that's the slider. That is this area right here. So if we were to change this, we would get this. And so these four right here are going to be these four boxes right here. So if we wanted to edit, which we will need to, this is the content that goes in it. I'd leave all the content about the same length. So this is where you'd edit this is where you're going to edit the content for that. This is our recent projects. I don't think that you'll need to do anything here. Or you can choose your categories if you wanted to, which are specified in the on the portfolio items. This right here is this area. So if you wanted to change the color, To the background, you go here, select color. If you wanted an image background, you'd add an image. If you wanted a video, you'd check video background. This is your padding, bottom, top, alignment. And testimonials right here. So if you wanted to add another testimonial, you would click this plus button right here. If you want to edit, which you'll need to edit these over here, edit, and this is where you're going to edit that, and this is where you'll put the name. And don't need to worry about this at the bottom. So that covers the home page. Oh, I changed something here. Let me change that back. Somehow this has been changed. I'm not sure how that got changed, but it had changed. So in any case, so that covers this page. These link to a page here looking like this. The way that these work is in two sections. There's portfolio. So we've got the 4 right here, portfolio. So what you can do here is you go in here. This is where, just like some of the other ones, this is your text, edit it, edit the text, same here. They're all going to look similar like this. This is our video player. Put a different video in here. You get the full URL link, YouTube, Vimeo, things like that. And here's your social buttons saying which ones to show here. You must set your featured image right here. This right here is what shows up down at the bottom here. If you do not set a featured image, this will be blank. So you must do that. And that's done here. And for this page we don't need anything more. Now, if you wanted to add a new portfolio item, you'd add visual templates, portfolio template. I made a template, so what it will do is it will add information right into here. So each template or each project can look the same, and then you just need to change out the information in here. We're not going to publish that, so we're going to leave these 4. Now the image slideshow that comes up right here, if you entered more, there'd be a slideshow, is pulling from Nectar slider. What you will do is you will add a slide. You'll put your slide image in here, put it into a category, You can add new slider location here. If you wanted, you can put a heading, you can put a caption, you can choose your colors. You have buttons that you can add, button text, where the button leads, and two different styles of buttons. These two different styles are showing, or actually I don't have them on here, but you can add them and they'll add a button right down below here. It will look like this here, based on your color scheme. So you can align the content whichever way that you like. So now this slide, so this one is named piston and chain. The reason that it shows on piston and chain is because in Nectar Slider we've specified it to go to piston and chain. This will be the same for each one. So if you want to add a slide, you have add new, and upload. Say we wanted to add another slide. This we can give a heading. And then we can give it a we could do another button if we wanted. And if we want this to go into the home, we can do that. And what that will do is add a home page slider. And if we want, we can link to something, different page or whatever. I just put a link in there. But to get rid of this, move to trash. So this is what is published as of right now. So that covers this here. It covers how you get these. Covers the home page. So if we go to the About page, all pages, About, and we can see, okay, here's text like we've been dealing with before. Here's the edit button. Here's team members. So if we want to edit a team member, we edit, add image, put their name, put their position, and this here. If you want social media links for those particular people, you need to put their social media link within here in this same format. Facebook, comma, their Facebook link, comma, and then whatever else needs to go into there. If you wanted a separate page for a team member, you could have a separate page. And if you need to add one, press add. As far as clients, right now we have 7 in here. Those are the ones that were more simplistically done. And so that's what I have added down at the bottom here. And I think that should cover that page. Oh, and the heading. So the heading image, this image here, is pulled from right here. So you could remove this. It'll switch to upload. Choose your image. You can have it parallax effect if you'd like, which means that it will move at a different motion than your text and the rest of the page. You can give it a height. We gave it the same height as the contact page. And this is your title. This is your subtitle. So that should cover that page there. Now for the contact page, this is where you're going to edit your text. If you need to edit any of this, well, you can also do that. And this is our contact form that's showing there. And we don't need to worry about the stuff on the bottom. It's referring to the contact template. If you need to edit the contact form, it's under contact, contact forms, edit. And if you need to add a field, you generate a tag, whatever tag it may be, give it a name. It will give you this here. You copy this, you give it a paragraph tag, name it, follow the same. I'm getting this information based off of this here. Just follow the same guidelines as what they have there. Paste this in here. Close out your paragraph. Give it a space. So that will now show up on the contact form, but you need it to be submitted. So you copy this and you put it in here. This is what gets submitted to your email. This can go in any order that you'd like. So this is the email that you'll want to change this to. Let's just copy and paste this, make sure I didn't misspell anything. And I think that is everything that you need to understand. Let me know if you have any other questions on this. Thanks.